can't disguise the fact that you and I were meant to be.
Clearly don't take a genius, so clear as the eye can see.
Nothing's hit me quite like this. You got me out my comfort zone.
All I'm used to is comfortable. It's all that I've ever known.
Oh, loving you has made me realize that all my past relationships
Were just nothing but stepping stones that led me to finding you, yeah.
that's why it always comes so easily, where we don't have to justify.
Something so unmistakable that I cannot hide.
'Cause when I'm with you, there's no end in sight. You're my guiding light. Ain't nothing like I've ever felt before. We're on foreign shores. I don't believe it's just down to chance. No coincidence, no baby. A miracle's found that's bigger than the both of us, and it feels so good.
the juice, yeah. Ay, I don't hesitate, I just apply the pressure, ay, ay. And you know I ate, I send it out to all the space. I ain't no average, when they see me, they go manic. When they see me on the move, that is when they start to panic. Head to toe, I got that magic, I'm confident and I'm classy. I'm the next big thing, on the throne is where I'm landing, yeah. Holla, 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 wait a minute, bitch, I'm back. Got my hands around their neck, like I don't know how to act. They can't imitate or replicate what I do, it's a rap. Bitch, I'm turning up the price right up, yeah, you can do the math. Next big thing on the bar, yeah. Whenever, holla, my name. Yeah, fuck it up, yeah. Doing it better than you. Let's go, ayy. Yaron Primark, yeah. Ayy, Makata, yeah. Let's get it, ah. I'll pick myself up
different. Have you ever